Good morning. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. It's about 4:45 in the morning here in Israel, and I had to turn on the camera because you see the effect. The camera is shooting backwards, but the car is shooting forwards. Isn't this like life? And isn't this like Elul, the time of return? We're going forward and we're going backward at the same time. What's going on here? You know, which is it? But it really is both. Because Hashem is above time. When we want to go to Hashem, sometimes we reach into the future, sometimes we reach into the past. Well, you see the streets of Kiryat Arba and Hebron unfolding behind us. And before us, well, more streets. But you know, we're not really looking for the details of the journey. At this moment, we're trying to set the wheels on the road in the right direction. Because Elul is about the reset. Elul is the time where the future has promise. There is hope. There is something greater. And you know, today is going to be Rosh Chodesh, the day before the first day of the month of return. And Rosh Chodesh they call the Yom Kippur Katan, the little Yom Kippur, the little day of atonement. Well, I'm not sure if that means the day is little or the atonement is little, but the work is a lot littler. We don't have to fast. Some people do. A lot of great rabbis and Kabbalists fast this day. Rabbi Nachman said, don't take on too many extra fasts. It makes life too tough, you know. The ikar is to serve God with joy. Now, you can get a lot of joy out of a little fast here and there, too. I've noticed. But really, the point is, Yom Kippur Katan, it's a little return. It's part of the bigger picture, right? That every day, actually every moment, you can always return to the Creator, because He's creating us every moment that we speak, that we look, that we walk, that we see. Whatever we're doing, He's embedded in there somewhere. And He just loves it when we look for Him. And He also loves to reveal Himself in the right time and the right way. So we should all be blessed with that new return. The lights are going out in Georgia. I can see that. But I want to say Chodesh Tov, Elul Tov, and return with joy. And you're going to see that this month becomes the seal for the whole year. You know, the Hatimah in Hebrew, the seal is the way you end something. It's the way you finish. It's the last 2 minutes of the game. It's the last word that you, of goodness, of kindness, of I'm sorry to somebody, that sets everything back to where it needs to be. So we should be blessed with the courage to say I'm sorry, the courage to say I love you, the courage to say I miss you, and they're going to fix a lot. And that's what this month is about. All the best. Chodesh Tov.